Welcome back, it's Tasha. Today I'll be showing you how to create 2 nail art design using Sistaco Nail Powder. But before you watch this, be sure to watch my previous video to know more about Sistaco. I'll put the link down in the description box below. So the first nail art I'm going to show you is French tips, and I use classic burgundy, which is a beautiful rich dark red purple color with a hint of shimmer, and I find this color is perfect for fall. Okay, so I'm starting off with the base coat. I'm going to create the French tips as my accent nails, so only on my middle finger and ring finger. To do the French tips, you just need to follow your nail line like so. Then pop under the LED light for 1 minute, and for this we use the side of the applicator to apply the powder. You can see that the powder gets beyond the nail line. You don't need to be worried about that. You can use wet wipes to wipe that area. Then apply the top coat. Cure for 1 minute, and we're done. Now let's move on to the next design. We're going to create purple gradient nails, and for this I'll be using 2 colors, classic burgundy and 𝗹𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗶 holographic. To make a smooth gradient, I'm making a transition color. So I mixed the 2 colors with 1:1 ratio. Let's start again with the base coat. Then apply the classic burgundy onto the bottom part of the nail. After that, you use the other side of the applicator to apply the transition color onto the middle part of the nail. Last one is to apply the 𝗹𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗃 holographic with the same applicator. Apply top coat. Cure for 1 minute, wash your hands with soap and warm water, and then we are done. So that's all for today's video. I really had so much fun creating this design with Sistaco Nail Powder. I hope you like them, and don't forget to use my discount code TASHA20 to get $20 or £15 off at checkout if you're interested to try. I'll put the link to Sistaco's website in the description box below so you can check out their other gorgeous colors. Until next time.